Hello friends, this is from SQL School Sai Fernindra, and I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. This particular session, we are going to have a short, straightforward activity on what is Fabric and why we need to go for it. Let's start from the scratch carefully, step by step. The classes would be completely into practice zone, right from the very basics, and in our Fabric classes, we are going to learn why Fabric, why we need it, the main implementation areas called SaaS implementations, software as a service, Synapse engineering, Fabric data factory, data flow and Power Query activities, Synapse warehouse and IoT concepts, Synapse data science, cloning, statistics, lakehouse, one lake and data wrangler concepts, data hub, data activator, data factory with one lake, data lake with one lake activities. As you see from the screen, yes, there are few Azure items here. So Azure is a prerequisite to step into our Fabric course. This particular job-oriented program from Microsoft Fabric is designed for the participants who are already having some touch on Azure and Power BI. It's specially designed for them. With Power BI integrations, Python, IoT, interactive notebooks, SQL scripts. What we cannot do in Azure engineering, we are going to do in Fabric here in our classes. With action platform and action analytics and end-to-end implementation. The main Fabric engineering model involves OLTP, ETL, warehouse and analytics. This is our actual course. I repeat again, in our Fabric, we are into ETL and data warehouse concepts. We are into real-time analytics and data engineering concepts with something called semantic models and one lake. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics, practically step by step. The prerequisites for our Fabric classes: step into engineering first. Azure Data Engineer, our course. Then Power BI. You may join us or learn on your own Power BI analytics. Then step into Fabric next. Third step will be Fabric. This way we have a proper long-term and strong basement technology into our skill book. Our classes would be something like this. Yes, in detail, very much detailed. We'll be starting from the very basics of what is Fabric. It is a combination of engineering and analytics. And we are going to learn right from the scratch how to step into accounts, Fabric data factory, Fabric warehouse, basics of Azure, and specifics on Azure data engineering is always an added advantage to step into our beautiful, lengthy, useful Fabric classes from scratch. We are into optimizations, analytics, big data, Spark, ETL with pipelines, ETL with notebooks, IoT, stream analytics, data science management activities, and so on, as per DP 600 examination guidance, part of our classes. So what exactly Fabric is? Once again, Fabric is all about mixing or bringing together engineering components, analytic components, blended together, bind them together. Make sure you revise your MS SQL concepts. Basics should be fine. Revise MS SQL. Get our engineering course, 2 months course. Maybe in parallel or in sequence or on your own Power BI. Join us for Fabric for meaningful, useful journey step by step. In engineering course, 2 months course, it's all about backend, warehouse, ETL, big data, IoT, data lake, open source warehousing activities, Microsoft warehousing activities, open source ETL, Microsoft ETL, data lake, etc. Power BI is all about different design tools, different types of reports, dashboards, analytics, copilot implementation. Again, blending together, Microsoft came up with Fabric. So DP 600 examination, Microsoft Fabric exam includes engineering components, Power BI components, and much more our Fabric components, including Synapse Engineering, Synapse IoT, Synapse Warehouse, Data Wrangler, Purview, Activator, Explorer, OneLake, Lakehouse, Data Factory, so on. Yes, practical part, leave it to me. Trust me, we'll take it slowly step by step in a meaningful way, useful way. But on-time practice required throughout the course, my kind request. With this, I shall wait for meeting you. I shall wait to meet you in our live demo class for Fabric and or engineering, whichever you want to start with. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Let's meet either live or in person in our Hyderabad office as per your current location. I'll be available live online on Google Meet or WhatsApp video call, or we can even communicate directly in the webinar live. You see the schedules and the live webinar dates on our website sqlschool.com. You can reach me on my number, WhatsApp number, or you can reach our team directly for doubts, clarifications, or anything related to the course or the career guidance. Thank you so much and see you there in our live class. Thank you once again. Have a nice time.